Okay, Bob and Teresa, here we are at Salishan Spit Trail. It's February
22nd.
22nd. Look at this, it's beautiful. Oregon coast weather, sunshine, not much wind, and just can't believe how lucky we got. Hey, here we are, Bob and Teresa. This is just awesome. Yeah, out on the beach, just have come and pan out a little bit. And, so this is the end of Salishan Spit. Down by Hey, Bob and Teresa again, heading back to the car, and what a beautiful day. It's perfect out, yeah, it's really good. So, what do we got in so far? 4.7 miles?
4.6.
4.6 miles, so I'd hit 5.5 or more by the time we get back. Just couldn't ask for a nicer day, right?
Right.
Right, thanks, honey. Boy.
Perfect out, yes.
Yeah, very good. Okay. Did you want to tell a story or?
No, I think you can do it.
You're good?
So I'm good on that one.
All right. All right, Dave. All right. Good day.